Here at Lloyd Land Rover in Carlisle, we are proud to present this Land Rover Discovery 35th edition, finishing the very stylish Santorini Black. It's a 3-litre diesel, does come equipped with the stunning gloss black alloys, as well as the black brake calipers, really enhancing the sport exterior styling. It's a very practical vehicle, does come with 7 seats. Where these are lowered, you've got a huge amount of boot space there. It can be easily raised to provide a huge amount of practicality. Moving to the interior, I've got the ebony leather interior. It does come equipped with a front and rear sliding panoramic sunroof. Got the navigation system and ease of access to a huge range of other features. These do include 3D surround camera, ensuring full confidence when getting into those tight spaces. You've got the heated and cooled front seats, as well as having it on the rear seats function as well as having the massage function for the front and rear. Very luxurious feature to have. Electrically deployable tow bar there as well for all your towing needs. As we're making our way down now, you have got your wireless device charger there as well. And for more information, please give us a call on 01228 599 000. Thank you.